Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video on the channel. On today's video we will be talking about the Bitcoin chart and of course the reasons why we have to be holding on towards this 31k level, and of course the things that can be happening if we're going to close below it. And guys, we will be as well for sure talking about the options that are going to expire this Friday. 2.5 billion US dollars will be expiring, and of course the bears really want to be pushing the Bitcoin price below the 32k, and of course the bulls want to be holding up the price above the 35k. So it's very exciting what we're going to do here. Let's see who is going to win on this Friday. Is it the bears? Is it the bulls? That is the thing that we are going to discuss as well. We will be as well going into the 4-hourly time frame that we got a perfect touch on this level that we have been discussing several times in the videos as well here. As well, we will be looking at the MACD, where we're right now seeing on the 4-hourly that the trend is basing once again towards the upside and the selling pressure is cooling off here. And as well, we will be talking about the 30-minute time frame where we can be potentially form maybe a new pattern here on the Bitcoin chart. And as last but not as least, we will be as well talking about the Bitcoin dominance. Are the altcoins going to gain here, or is it Bitcoin that is going to absolutely crush the market for the coming days? That's the thing that we will be discussing. So guys, if this is interesting for you, make sure to already smash up these likes here, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell notification so you're not going to miss out on these time related videos. So guys, yeah, let's go right away into the video. So yeah, let's start off with the Bitcoin chart. So yeah, Bitcoin has been retracing on the daily candles towards this important level of the 31k here. We all know the 31k has been providing us several times very beautiful support for Bitcoin. So every time once we're touching this level, we're seeing at least a move towards this red line on the top side. What is of course the 39.2k here. So personally, and of course historical seeing, because we're right now having another touch point of this level, I will be looking of course for Bitcoin to increase towards the 39.2k here. So that is a natural thing that I will be saying here, but we all know right now this is not easily going to happen here, because as well, and the more times you're going to knock on a certain door, the more likely it will be that you're going to break it. So yeah, the more likely this level will be not holding on here. So I won't like to see more and more touch points coming in over here. But guys, then I want to be talking the importance, a little bit about the importance of this level, because I think it's an extreme important level to hold on here, because yeah, we have been as well discussing this level around the 40.6k as a very important level to break through, if in order for Bitcoin to of course continue towards this 45k level, because yeah, we know there's almost no volume traded between these ranges here. So yeah, as well, exactly the same for the Bitcoin level around the 31k here, because if we are not going to hold on towards this 31k level, guys, we know that we are having also zero volume support below this level. So yeah, if we're really going to close a daily candle below this green box of support and as well below the blue box of support, the worst case, we can be still closing in the blue box and still get a bounce here, of course. But of course, if we're going to see a daily close below the blue box, it's game over, and we're for sure going to see targets around the 23.8k, because there's absolutely no volume support. So that's of course already a thing that you should be looking out for. If we're already going to see Bitcoin trading, well, we are almost going to see a daily candle close on the 29k approximately. Yeah, we're going to for sure see, of course, Bitcoin push even lower. But guys, I do think that this is the last week right now that we are seeing these massive amounts of downwards pressure in the Bitcoin chart, because usually near the end of the month here, because the options are expiring, we are seeing, of course, the Bitcoin price getting pushed lower. And we all know right now that there is, of course, another 2.5 billion US dollar call here for this Friday. And there are very important levels that we right now have to be looking at, where Bitcoin is going to close on the 25th of June, guys. This is very important to look at, and you can see it already in front of your screen here. If we're going to close, if we are failing to hold the 32k level, so aka if we're going to close the Friday 25th of June below the 32k, the bears will be winning, and they will be winning another 450 million US dollars. And that's of course not a thing what we would like to see here, but as well there are of course some bullish calls, and you can see it over here. And there is as well a neutral level that we want to be trading on, and that's of course the 34k. So if we're going to close above, and if we're going to trade above the 34k on the June 25th, it will be a little bit of a neutral slash neutral to bullish territorium, of course, that we are trading at. And of course, the bears also have still a little bit of an advantage over there. But guys, at least I don't want to be seeing Bitcoin closing below that 32k level, because that's going to be quite unfortunate, because then the bears will be winning and they will be trying to push prices even lower. But guys, we know that Elon Musk, of course, is a person that don't like people to go short. So maybe he can be helping us here in these last days. Maybe he sees this as well, because probably he is seeing this as well, and he maybe is going to do anything about it. So that will be, of course, amazing, because if the bears are going to win over here, this will be really bad for the coming months of Bitcoin, because they will be trying to even push prices lower, probably, depending as well on the next option call. But yeah, for sure, it's going to be quite exciting where we're going to close the 25th of June. And that is also one of these main reasons why we are seeing the selling pressure coming in towards the market, because they're trying to shake you out of the market right now to push prices lower. So right now we discussed the options. So let me go right away into the 4 hourly candles, guys. So what are we having for Bitcoin right now here? Of course, we have been perfectly touching this green box like we were discussing as well on the daily candles. We have been, of course, mentioning this level several times here since failing to hold this upper sloping supportive line. So that was, of course, a quite exciting call here. And it is very beautiful that we are right now having to touch this level as well. And of course, I will be, of course, looking at this level as a very good buying opportunity. And personally, we were creating some bullish divergence, but yesterday, of course, we have not been doing so on the 4 hourly candles. So as well, if you're going towards the MACD here on the 4 hourly candles, guys, we are seeing some very exciting things here. And we have not been seeing a bullish crossover yet, but we are seeing right now that the selling pressure is starting an uptrend. That is, of course, meaning that we are seeing the less and less selling pressure coming in towards the market, and as well signifying us that the bears, the people that are selling up here are right now losing strength. They're getting exhausted. The sellers are getting exhausted on the 4 hourly time frame, and it looks to be that we can be maybe going to some more bullish territorium. So yeah, this is quite exciting, and I should definitely benefit from this seeing right now. I already have a minor trade open right now on Bybit. You can also sign up right now with Bybit here in the link in the description. But I already opened a trade on the 31k here on the perfect retest of my level. So yeah, we'll be looking forward towards where we are going to go towards right now. And I do expect higher levels getting reached here. Of course, we can always see another maybe FUD news come out here and of course break this uptrend. And really have to be waiting to see what is going to happen. But personally, of course, if we're looking to the MACD, clearly signifying that the selling pressure is cooling off here, and we can be potentially as well get a bullish crossover anytime soon here. So this looks quite good here. So as well, a very, very important thing to discuss here is, of course, the Bitcoin 30-minute chart here. Personally, of course, this line, you can be really not looking at this line for sure. The main scenario what I want to be looking at, of course, is this downward slope resistance line. This line of resistance is, of course, holding back the price, and we have been forming, of course, somewhat of a supportive line towards the upside. We have been already touching this level several times here, and it has been holding on very well. So that's, of course, beautiful to see. But yeah, most important, of course, is the resistance line on the top side that we want to be breaking, of course. Looking forward towards this one here. We have already got several touch points on the top side, so yeah, potentially this can be, of course, as well lead towards the apex getting reached here, because this supportive line is still getting respected very well here. So yeah, personally looking forward towards it. We're definitely going to see some more volatility come in towards the market near, of course, in the coming 4 hours if I see this, of course. So yeah, it's going to be quite exciting, and I would like for sure to see this downtrend getting broken here, because this will be really helping to push the prices up here. And as well with the 4 hourly right now signifying that we are seeing, of course, the sellers getting exhausted, I do think that we can be potentially see some more moves towards the upside getting created here. So yeah, very exciting, but always in the back of our mind, guys, the 2.5 billion US dollars option call around the 32k can be still a potential extreme bearish driver here for the market in the coming 3 days here. So guys, yeah, we have to be holding the line till Friday. After Friday, we can be looking for a whole bright new month, of course, of July. So personally looking forward towards that for sure. So as well, the Bitcoin dominance, what have we been seeing? So yeah, the Bitcoin dominance has been breaking the downtrend over here. Since touching this level, guys, we have been seeing a minor rejection from the top side already. We have been seeing, of course, this wick getting created over here. But personally, yeah, I do expect that we are, of course, potentially going to break through, or maybe you're first going to go for this retest of this previous resistance target, what right now is flipping into support. So yeah, the Bitcoin dominance looks quite strong here to see it climbing a little bit more towards the upside. But guys, we know the higher the Bitcoin dominance is going to climb here, the more potential gains we're going to make as well with the altcoins. So should I say that you can be right now buying some altcoins up on this resistance line over here? I should be taking it a little bit more safe and wait still till the options expired, because I still think there will be a lot of pressures. Yeah, there will be still, of course, probably a lot of pressure from the bears coming in here till Friday, because they really want to be trading below the 32K here. So yeah, be extremely careful, because usually once Bitcoin is dropping off here, the altcoins are dropping off further, and that is of course one of these reasons why the Bitcoin dominance is increasing. So yeah, personally I do expect the price targets around the gray box at least getting reached here. It will be tomorrow, I don't know for sure, of course. Will be after this retest. That's of course more likely in my opinion. So for sure, keep your eyes out on this one, because yeah, personally, I do think that we're going to see two things that can be playing out: a retest and of course a bounce, or right now a breakthrough already. So yeah, be prepared. And of course, if we're going to re-enter, it will be of course quite bullish for the altcoins. But that's of course a scenario that's not going to play out that easily, in my opinion. So yeah, really looking forward towards it. But I do think the Bitcoin dominance will be increasing here over the days, because yeah, we have been breaking the downtrend, what was holding back the Bitcoin dominance, of course, for sure. So guys, once again, I want to thank you guys so much for watching to this video. Hopefully you enjoyed this quick update video about Bitcoin, and hopefully you know what to look out for right now. Guys, make sure to smash up the likes. Let's go for 300 likes on this video. And of course, if you watch till the end of the video, let me know in the comment section by saying 1, 2, 3 Rover. Will be amazing if you watch till the end, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in once again here, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.